I recently saw the movie Sully and was thinking of some parallels between the miracle on the Hudson and the Catholic Church. The January 15th, 2009 miracle was a very visible event. Most people in the USA know about the event and heard about it on that day. It could have easily turned into a tragedy almost on the scale of 9/11 in the same place where the 2001 attacks took place and killed many people both in the plane and on the ground. I am convinced that in this very confusing and dangerous age, that God shows us things in plain sight if we look for them. First of all, the date. In the traditional Roman Rite calendar, January 15th is the feast of Our Lady of Prompt Succor. Passenger Jeff Day prayed 5 Hail Marys after the announcement came over the speaker for the passengers to brace themselves. I fully believe that our Lord and Our Lady saved all the people as a very public act of mercy and to manifest God's power. The pilot, in a sense, was a Christ-like figure because he saved the lives of those in his care by dunking them in the water, similar to the sacrament of baptism. Even the first part of his name, Chesley, reminds me of Christ. He and his co-pilot, who is a type of minister to the pilot, saved the 153 souls in their care. The miraculous catch of fish in the Bible by the apostles was 153, which many believe represents the people who would be by the Catholic Church in the future. Also, the flight number 1549 is also significant. In the year 1549, missionary Francis Xavier arrived in Japan. While I do believe that likely earlier unrecorded missionaries spread the gospel throughout the world, so St. Francis Xavier was a very public missionary, and 1549 was when he reached the ends of the earth with the gospel in Asia. So, in conclusion, I believe that on January 15th, 2009, God showed the world this great sign in the waters of the Hudson River, the same waters that Jesuit martyr St. Isaac Jogues traveled down, where he very likely could have baptized native converts, and near where he offered the first holy sacrifice of the Mass in Manhattan.